a lot like you're used to, just some enhancements. So when we launched the activity feeds capability in 2011, we talked about it as social wave 1. Think of this as the continuation of that journey as we continue to enhance social functionalities within the application. So really the two main things to point out are very simply, I assume everybody in here has been to Facebook at one point or another, and everybody has probably liked something. Very simple. We have that same ability now. Hey, in this case, Jill and Terry have a dialogue going on, and I can simply like that post, and you can see, hey, a nice smiley face. I like this post. Okay, so again, we're bringing social into the application, the way people use social. But more impactful and more, I guess, much more feature-driven in the sense of how I actually can use social in the application. Right now, my wall in CRM is basically an aggregation of the activity from records that I follow, and solely from records that I follow. So if I want to see one of your accounts, but an update that's happening to that, I actually have to go into CRM and follow every single record. What we've introduced in this, or what we're going to introduce in this release, is the ability to filter those. So without following every single record in the system, I can actually come in and create different views of posts. So you'll see here, we have records that I follow specifically, and we have posts about different things. So if I want to see everything about me, these may not be records that I follow, but these may be where someone has referenced me. I may also say, you know what, I want to see posts specific to all leads. These aren't all the leads that I own. These are just every post based on leads. You're able to define and release these views across the organization. So one of the interesting use cases would potentially be what we showed in our demonstration the other day. I did hash engage or hash catering, right? We may actually have a view where our professional service team is all following that hash engage type scenario so they can see every time a request comes in. So the ability to simply be a little smarter with what we're interested in the system. And with that, I will hand it back to Craig.
Thanks. You might as well stay here because you've got something else cool to show shortly.
Sounds great.